y'all talk. We going into the historical overtime.
We're about to cut through real Miami, my hood. These tourists about to learn something.
Just hide your purses up under your legs, hide all your valuables. This is my hood. Towners! Damn right. To my left, my homie with no shirt on. What's up, buff boy?
This is where I used to play football at, man. Man, I got kicked off the team because I bust a bitch wide in their mouth with the helmet. These little apartments right here, they used to sell us candy. Y'all don't know what a candy house is. We ain't have to go to stores. We had people that sell candy out their house. Hell with the store. Man, I hope these people appreciate what I'm laying down. This is the real Miami. You won't find in any guidebook.
That was J Money cousin on that bike, y'all just missed him. Man, shut your ass up. Over here to my right, man, they tried to jump me on my way coming home from school. I had to beat all 6 of them bitches' ass.
We don't care.
You know what? I'm about to put your ass off.
Let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Hey, y'all better tell them to get off. I ain't moving. I leave all y'all here. Let's go. Damn right. This ain't my job. Get off. Anybody else want to go with them? Later. Walk your ass back. Now back to my tour, damn it. You don't disrespect my hometown. If you disrespect my hometown, you get dropped.
Over there to your right, that's what you call town hall. That's when I first became about my money. They used to try and take my money when my mama used to give me my dollar to go to the ice cream truck. Bitch, right in the face. I'm about my cash. To your right, you'll see Dean's Gold. That's the finest strip club we got down here in Miami. So if y'all into tipping, there you go, baby. Make it happen. Under this bridge over here, this way Scarface them used to come when they made the movie. So now you're seeing a little piece of history. Live and die.